Hey you guys, we're back here at Miss Chef where we play with Gourmet. And of course today we have a very special guest, an Indian friend, nonetheless a very beautiful artist. Please welcome Siya Daryani. Hi. Clap your hands. I understand we're making Egg Burjhi, right? This is your version of the scrambled eggs.
This is my version, not mine. It is
Yes.
our version of scrambled egg.
Yes.
You know how Indians love to add spice.
I
and,
love Indian food.
Chili and flavor to everything. So that's why this is a twist to scrambled eggs.
Right.
Twisted Indian scrambled eggs.
Show us how to make something.
Yes, sure.
A scrambled hot egg like you. No, that didn't come out really
No.
right. Like a hot hot egg like you. No, that didn't come right. Okay, let's just cook.
Let's just go, guys. We add some oil.
Right. As
Once
you can
that's
see,
ready.
smoking hot like my guest here.
Thank you. So I'll add some garlic first to begin with. And the sound of
I just
sizzle.
love Indian food. I love the culture.
Thank you.
Oh, and before we start, of course, namaste.
Namaste. Yes, right.
Shukriya. Right?
Shukriya,
Thank you
thank
very
you.
much for guesting. Miss Chef, you're teaching them how to make eggs.
I am teaching them.
Everybody has eggs. Okay, my God. This isn't really coming out. Really? Go ahead and cook.
I'll add some onion, chopped onion.
Right.
One. Now, the moment it starts to get a bit pink, I would like to add some salt.
So we're gonna lower it down a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna add some
So you
salt.
season it. Yeah.
Season it just so that my garlic stops burning.
Okay.
We go
With the chili.
chilies, of
Green
course.
chili fingers.
Indians and chilies. We
Yeah.
love our chili always.
Of course.
So that's next. And you would like to know that this is actually
Oh.
sorry, the chili.
It's okay.
Okay, I'm gonna add the tomatoes
Yeah.
now.
So all the juices from the tomatoes will cool it down. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna continue cooking that for you while you're helping. Should I take you to the hospital? 911?
No.
No.
I'm good.
You don't need 911. Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna add the spices to it.
So you're gonna wait until your tomatoes will.
No, because I want the spices to cook with the tomatoes.
Okay.
So as the tomato will cook, the spices will cook, and it will soften as well. This is something called garam masala.
Garam masala.
Can you try smelling it?
I'm kidding.
That's what I think it's not that bad.
I fooled you.
I know. So
No, I love garam masala. I cook with the chicken
Yes.
biryani.
we'll just put a bit so that it adds a lot of flavor. Yeah, you can go down a bit. Okay. Then this is coriander seed powder.
coriander seed,
Yes.
yeah.
We're gonna we put like half a teaspoon of garam masala.
Right.
I'll put like 1 teaspoon of this.
Okay.
1.5 maybe. I like my coriander masala, so I'm very up for it.
Okay.
We like spicy, so I'm just gonna add a bit of red chili powder
Red chili powder.
to it. Okay. Now, while we are cooking that, and it's
You're
getting
gonna dance while you're cooking,
yeah, sure.
but make sure it doesn't burn.
As long as you want to do Bollywood and Bollywood,
Yeah.
I'm
So
in
while
for
you're
it.
doing that, why don't you tell us about 1-2 step?
Okay, so 1-2 Step is my performing arts company,
Right.
which I've just started in the Philippines, and I wanna introduce Bollywood to a lot of people.
Right.
Not only Bollywood, I'm actually a professionally trained Latin American ballroom dancer. The trick to Indian cooking is, I would like you to smell it now. The moment the yes,
Okay.
that's the feeling you should have. The moment the spice smell shoots up your
You're
nose,
supposed to have a heart attack.
not a heart attack. Otherwise, all the people in India would have been like, our population wouldn't be that big. You see, if everyone was getting a heart attack. But yes, it does kind of bother you a bit,
Yeah.
because it chews up your nose.
Right.
That's when the
Kind
moment
of wake
it
up your
shoots-
senses.
Yes,
actually.
the moment it shoots up the nose, meaning the spice is cooked.
Right.
While it's working, I'm gonna start beating my egg.
Okay. I think that most people are kind of not turned off, but I think they are intimidated with Indian cooking because they think that, you know, just because there are so many spices and all. But, you know, let us share with them that they could just get these spices from Asad's, or even some of them, like red chili powder, they could get it from grocery stores, right?
Correct.
I mean, green chili fingers, tomatoes, eggs, garlic.
You have everything at home.
turmeric, you have everything in the grocery. But except for coriander seeds and the garam masala, which they could buy from Asad's.
Asad.
See, I'm very generous like that, you know, so I'm telling you.
I'm gonna add the egg here.
Okay.
Now. No. Now I want it on high.
You want it on high?
Yes.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is now.
You don't hide your beautiful face. You have to move here. Okay.
I am gonna start making or mixing the egg rather. You want to put as raw things as possible so the flavors already get mixed in the food. So here I am actually just mixing it around till the egg cooks.
So while you wait for the egg to cook, can you teach us some dance steps, like 5 steps from 1 to step?
Okay, put your hands like that.
What? Like this?
Hands. I'm doing this because so our camera people can also relate to it.
Okay.
So all you do is you go flat, 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 flat. So Indian moves are always about your moving your waist. Okay. We call it the tunka.
Okay.
You go like that. Don't forget to shake your bum. You go pa, pa, pa.
Okay.
Pa.
Oh, okay. I'm
One leg in
left-handed.
front.
I'm left-handed, so it has to be like this.
Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See?
Okay. Bye.
You can dance while cooking also.
Right.
Yeah.
Normally, what you do at home, and let's face it, you don't want to really wash a lot of dishes, right?
Yes.
So you got your egg from that, and then normally I would just put it in the same bowl. That's where I got it from. Because normally here, I think our viewers like to do something that they could easily whip at home.
Yeah, sure. So I'm just gonna put it in the same bowl I got it from before.
If it's somebody who's very lazy,
yeah, for someone who's very lazy, but doesn't matter because of the heat of on top.
Yeah.
If you don't like the raw egg, it's gonna cook
everything
anyways.
Yeah.
So here we have your street style, Indian scrambled egg called Egg Burjhi.
Egg Burjhi. So how do you say it? Do you say it sexy? Egg Burjhi.
Like Egg Burjhi.
Burjhi.
That's as sexy as we can get for now.
Shukriya. Okay, so with that, I'd like to say Shukriya and Namaste.
Thank you.
And of course, once again, this is Chef Michelle Adrillana. Don't forget, this is Miss Chef. Let's play with Gourmet. See you next time.